Hello, good morning. Thank you for joining me for another How to Draw Stuff with me, Calvin Innes. Okay, today we've got another one for all you budding little artists out there. I'm going to show you how to draw a super cute, super simple cartoon pig. Okay, so we're going to start off with a nice big circle right in the middle of our sheet of paper. And then over on this side, we're going to go for a bit of an oval. Now from here, we're going to draw above it two little ovals, and those are for your eyes. And in the middle of this oval here, we're going to draw two more little ovals. And that is your pig's nose. Now for the legs, we're going to keep these really nice and simple. Now, pigs don't have loads of toes, they have little trotters. So we're going to go just like that. Little line across, and there is your little trotter. Another little one at the back. There you go. Now for the back leg, we're going to go round first. Then from the back here, same sort of shape again. Line across, and you have your back leg. And then one more underneath. There you go. Now for your ears, we are going to go for that kind of shape at the top. Now we've got another one tucked in back here. And then very important, you've got your curly tail. That's all the bits and pieces we need to kind of put our pig together. Okay, so we're going to go around a few of these lines again. Let's add some pupils in there. Remember, if you leave a little white dot on your pupils, it just brings your eyes to life a little bit more, makes them shine. Here we go. You've got your nose. Let's go around that a little bit darker so we can see, and shading those nostrils. Now we want a big smiley mouth up there and a little line underneath just for the lip. Let's go around the ear again. Now inside the ear we want to go one line that way and another line that way. And that makes it look like there's a little hole sort of inside the ear. Let's go over that ear at the back. Come all the way around there to your pig's bum. There's the back leg. Up there, it's just shading those little trotters. Underneath for the belly. And your front legs, shading those little trotters in. And the last little thing we need, let's just make that tail curl all the way around, a little bit thicker. And there you go. You have your super cute, super simple cartoon pig.